Hello, user testing community. Once again, it's Mike McDowell from the Solutions Consulting team here at User Testing, back with another tip of the week. Now, today I'm going to do a little bit more talking than showing something live in the platform, but this is one of the most exciting improvements that we have ever made to this platform. And it is specifically tied towards getting to those exact participants that you need, especially when they are difficult. So a lot of times when we have difficult participants or we want to get exactly to a certain group, let's say our actual customers, we want to go and do something called a My Recruit. This is the option in the platform where you don't use User Testing's contributor network or panel. You don't use an onboarded panel that you've brought into the platform. You actually just create the test and you get a link, and then you send that link out via email or whatever method you choose to get people to take your test, to invite them. Well, as many of you know, in the old world, it used to be true that when you clicked on the link to take the test, you'd be brought to your browser and told you have to download the User Testing browser extension. This is for desktop. Everything we're talking about right now is for desktop. So you'd be told you have to download the browser extension. Well, that is a thing of the past. Last week or two weeks ago on the 19th, when we did our Q1 release, we released something called the Seamless Recorder. This has completely eliminated the need for a browser extension. Instead, you can see here, this is a little in the helps. This is a knowledge base article about the Seamless Recorder. And you can see there's actually a little video here. And then right here, you can see it's a 2-tab approach now. So instead of using a browser extension in the little widget, which would be up here in the corner, we actually control the test from an extra tab. So the one tab is the controller, one tab is the actual study. So the cool thing is here, you can come and watch this, read this. I highly recommend it. But we've handled a lot of things in the past that you guys have talked about. One, friction. There's no more friction in the process. You click the link, you take the test. 2, security. Security is no longer a problem. If you have a lockdown machine where you actually cannot install things to your browser, you don't need to worry about it anymore. So doing internal testing on employees, that is now a capability for virtually everybody because you don't have any restrictions on security. Then the third one is, as I showed you before as I scroll down here, that our little controller, our little tool for the test is not floating above your page anymore. So you don't have anything obscuring, especially if you're testing things like one of the utilities like login or customer service that's up here in this right-hand corner. So you don't have to worry about dragging the widget around anymore. And then what that enables, all of those 3 things, what that actually enables is the ability to do what is called a live intercept. So that is the ability to build an event trigger right into your website, instantly solicit somebody to take a test, and then just let them take the test. You don't have to install anything. So the possibility of a live intercept, the exact customer you need who's on your website, engaging with your brand right at that moment, you can get them into a test. So lots of new possibilities. Get to those people that you need that have been difficult in the past or that are hyper niche customers of yours that maybe you wouldn't have found in the user testing panel. Even though we have the best panel in the world, everybody's not going to be in there. So tremendous opportunities now. Really excited to see what you guys do with the new opportunities with the Seamless Recorder. And I'm going to leave you at that. But don't worry, I'll be back in 7 days with another user testing tip of the week.